I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin at the wash bay, park precisely, set the handbrake, and power down the engine so the game registers the service. Open the wash menu and choose the exterior wash. Basic clears dirt, premium removes heavy grime and bird splatter. Make sure water is available. The hose pressure icon should read at least 50%. Once set, start the cycle immediately to lock the bay and avoid NPC interference. This reduces wait time and keeps your schedule on track. You now run the wash sequence step by step. Spray soap, engage brushes, then rinse. Follow the on-screen prompts and move your camera to cover the front, both sides, and the roof so brushes hit all dirty spots. Use slower pans over heavy dirt patches to increase cleaning efficiency and reapply soap if the progress bar stalls. Make small angle adjustments rather than large swings to maintain brush contact. Once brushes finish, check reflections to confirm grime removal. Finish with a thorough rinse and inspect mirrors, windows, and lights for streaks. You want passenger visibility and safety. Collect the service receipt and return the bus to its route or park it in the garage, then save your game to lock in the service. If the wash stalls or brushes clip the model, exit the bay and re-enter to reset the animation, or reload the last checkpoint if visuals remain broken. Make sure water pressure is restored and retry. This fixes most in-game wash glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.